Good afternoon or good morning, everyone. Our first lesson in Math 7 is all about the sets. So, we will have the objectives for this week. After going through this module, you are expected to illustrate a well-defined set, subsets, universal sets, null set, cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, and the difference of two sets. Second paragraph, an organized collection of objects with common characteristic is called a set. These are three ways to describe sets. One is a written expression, another is through listing or Brewster method, and by set notation. So this is your first learning task. It should be written in a one whole sheet of pad paper or intermediate pad paper. Don't forget to write the subject, Math 7, complete name, year and section, and the parent's signature after your learning task. So learning task 1, identify all the possible answer for these statements below. Number 1, all the provinces in region 4A. So you write here your answer. So the region 4A, you will have the abbreviation, what we call the Calabarzon. So CA stands for what? So that is Cavite, and so on. So you write all your answer here. Numbers greater than 8. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaki sa 8. You start from 9. At least 5 numbers greater than 8. So, you write your answer here. All subjects in grade 7. So, what are those subjects in grade 7? Of course, you will have the math, science, AP, ESP, and so on. So, all the subjects when you say. Next, number 4, vowels in the English alphabet. So, what are those vowels? So, we'll have how many vowels? 5. So, for example, in the word sets, so you do the first vowel or the only vowel here is the letter E. So, it's up to you to write here in order. Next, number 5, 5 animals with 4 legs. So, what are those animals? So, you write at least 5. So, example there, you will have the dog, cat, and so on. Okay? Next, we will proceed to letter D. So, the letter D is the explanation of our lesson. So, you write it on your notebook. Since our Math 7 colored green, so you will have also notebook which is color green in mathematics, or you will have the in your own notebook as long it is clean. Don't need to buy as long that you will have the mathematics notebook, which is your lecture to be written there. Okay, so the members of a set can be described in different ways. Number 1, by definition, such as the set of counting the numbers of a set. So, meaning to say, by definition. Example there, you will have the sets of even numbers. A group of people living in urban places. That is the example of definition. Next, number 2, by listing each member of a set, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, listing. You write or you list. So, we will have here the illustrative example number 1. So, you write also in your notebook for you to study. Describe the elements of each set. Set A, found inside the circle, you will have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, your answer, set A, the set of even numbers from 4 to 12. Since it starts to 4, then end with 12. All this is what we call the elements of the given set. Next example, the set B. Set B, inside your circle, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer, set B, the set of counting numbers from 1 to 6. Is that clear? Okay. Next, we will have the example 3. Set C. So, you don't have any elements here inside. So, your answer is set C is a null set, or what we call the empty set, dahil walang laman. Next, set D. Inside is the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay? Is it 10 or 18? 18. Sorry, 18. So answer, set D the set of factors of 18. Why is it factors? Two numbers, when you multiply, the result is equal to 18. So 1 times 18 was 18. 2 times 6, oh no, it's not 2 times 6. 2 times 9 is equals to 18. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So the answer, the set of factors of 18. Clear? Next, example number 2, describe the subset and universal set shown below. So we will have here the universal set is found inside the box. Inside the box also is what we will have the subset here, and inside the circle, the subset of U. So answer, in this example, we can describe the sets this way. Set U is the universal set here. Then, the set Q is a subset of U. Here, the set Q inside is what we call the subset of U, universal. Okay? So, the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So, you will have 1, 2. The subset, the sets of even numbers from 1 to 10. So, you will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? So, this is the subset of U. The set Q. Okay? So, example number 3. Use the diagram below to answer the questions that follow. 1. What elements are found in the union of set A and B? So, you will have A, the set A, and the set B. So, your answer must be here. So, we use the symbol U to denote the union of sets. And this is the reverse or opposite of U. So, you will have here to denote the intersection of sets. Okay na. So, number 1, since A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, and 20. So, where did it comes from? Here, inside the set A, you will have 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, and 20. And then the B, of course, don't forget to write the bracket and close with the bracket every elements. B, you will have 4, 5, 7, 14, 20, 21, and 23. Thus, when you say thus, therefore, so A union of B is equals to, so you list all the numbers or the elements found in A, then also in B. Okay, so since you will have the intersection 4, 14, and 20, you will have only one entry. You don't need to write double entry of 4 since you will have here 4 also, so don't need to write. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 14, 20, 21, 23. That is what we call the union of sets. Okay na. 2 question. What is the cardinality of the union of A and B? So you count. There are 10 elements found in the union of set A and B. So that is the cardinality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your answer is 11. Why is it 11? The answer there is 10. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. Not 11. Next, number 3. A intersect B. So, 4, 14, and 20 only. Here is the intersection of A and B. Meaning to say, it overlaps. So, your answer is only the 3 elements. 4, 14, and 20. Okay na. Number 4, the intersection of sets A and B has 3 elements. So, going back to the question, it is what we call the cardinality of the intersection of A and B. So, ito lang, the 3 elements. Okay. Next, number 5. What is number 5 question? What are the elements in A complement or complement of set A or B complement, or you will have the complement of set B? So, answer. A complement is equals to 5, 7, 21, and 23. So, where did you get the A complement? 5 here, 7, 21, and 23. Don't forget to arrange your answer in increasing order from lowest to greatest or highest. When you say the A complement, all you have to do is to cover the elements found in set A. So, tatakpan mo to. Ang natira lang, what is left is 5, 7, 23, and 21. So, that's why you will have here the answer. Okay na. Next, the B complement. B complement is equals to 2, 6, 11. So, where did you find 2, 6, 11? Again, tatakpan mo ang B. Takpan mo ito. Hindi siya kasama because of the B complement. What is left is only 2, 6, and 11. Okay, clear. Next, let's proceed. Example number 4. Given A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is equals to the set of the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's the question. So you write the given or in your lecture notebook all the definition of terms. Ito lahat susulat sa notebook. Okay? So, question. Find A minus B and B minus A. So, first, ito ang ating sasagutan. To find the difference of A minus B, we begin by taking away. Sabihin, tatanggalin natin every element, isa-isahin, of A that is also on element of B. Okay? Ang element na makikita sa A na nasa B din also. So, anong element yon? 4, 5, 6. Ito, 4, 5, 6. So, tatanggalin natin. Since A minus B, magpo-focus tayo dito. So, ano na lang matira? Okay? 1, 2, and 3. So, ito yung sagot niya. Okay? So, this gives us the set difference. A minus B is equals to the bracket of inside the bracket 1, 2, and 3. Intindihan? The difference naman, baliktad, B minus A naman, consists of elements of B that are not in A. Therefore, B minus A is equals to 7, 8, 9, and 10. How does it happen? The same lang. So, we will have here 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So, tatanggalin nila, taking away all the elements sa B. So, anong natira sa B? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay na. Ito isusulat natin sa lecture notebook. Definition of terms. So, nandyan ang meaning ng set, subset, universal set, null set. Sinabi ko na is an empty set. The union of set, yung makikita sa lahat. The intersection, yung dito lang sa gitna. The complement of set A, yun, yung tatakpan mo yung set A. Pag sinabi namang complement of set B, tatakpan mo. Pag sinabing cardinality of set B, bilangin mo lang. The difference of two set, ayan, A minus B, taking away all the elements. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa learning task 2. Ito ang makikita sa continuation ng one whole natin. Ano po? So, describe set A. Ito yun. So, ano bang nandyan sa set A? You will have, what number is that? Hindi ko na makikita. Palabo sa slideshow ko. Ito lahat yun. Yung sa set A. Ha? Ito lang. Ito. The number 2, describe set B. Ito naman. Tapos, anong number yan? Divisible by 5, by 10. So, you're going to describe. Example, ma'am, set B is divisible by 10. Isusulat mo siya. 10, kung ano-ano pa dyan. Then, sa set A naman, balikan mo, describe. Divisible by 5. Yan ba yun? Tama o mali? Bahala kayo dyan. Okay na. So, number 3, what is A union of B? So, isulat mo. The same with our example. So, kung ano yung nasa A, ito yung lahat. Sulat, sulat, sulat. Then, the union of B. Sulat din. Tapos yan, bibilangin yung isa-isa. Isulat nyo yung A union of B is equals to ito lahat na makikita. In increasing order. Okay? What about number 4? Madali na number 4. What is A intersect B? So, ilan lang nag-intersect? Ito lang ang tatlo. Okay? And last number, what is the cardinality of A? Pag sinabi na cardinality, yung bilang niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pag sinabi naman cardinality na A union of B, bibilangin mo lahat. Bilangin natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So, that's it. Next, ito pa ang sasagutan nyo. Last na to, ha? Describe the universal set and subset shown in the figure below. So, ito yung universal mo, ito yung subset mo. So, universal sets, ano-ano yung mga number? Lahat yan nakakasama dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sulat dito. So, ano yung pag-describe mo? Counting numbers from 1 to 7. Subset. Ano yung subset? Tatlo lang. 2, 4, 6. Oh. Even numbers from 1 to 7. Oh, 2, 4, 6. Yun yung sagot nyo dyan. Okay? Next. Find all the subset of each of the following set. Number 1 is done for you. Ayan. So, set A is equals to M and P. Of course, we will have the null set or the empty set. So, lahat ng sagot nyo dito may null set. Ito. Ha? And after that, himay-himayin nyo isa-isa. So, M and P, tapos combination ng dalawa hanggang matapos. Okay? The same also with the others. So, number 2, B is equals to empty set. Tapos, X, then Y. Then, XY. Yun lang. Number 3, C. 1, 2, 3. Of course, you will have the null set again. Sulat mo dito. Then, quit o comma. 1, then 2, then 8. So, combination. Ano yun? 1, 2, and 1, 8. Then, meron pa. 2, 8. Okay? O, 1, 2, 8. Ang last nyo. Next, number 4, D is equals to the null set. O, kupihin nyo ulit. Isa-isahin sila. Himay-himayin. Then, combination. A, B, AC, AD. B naman. BC, BD. C naman. CD. Then, ABC, BCD. Then, the last, ABCD. Okay? Then, the last, number 5, E is equals to A, o empty set, and A lang, dalawa lang sagot. Next, the last one. Using the figure below, find the elements found in the indicated sets. Oh, number 1, A union of B. So, ganun pa rin. You list all the A found in A. So, ano yung number na yan? Lahat yan isulat. Tapos, sa B naman isusulat. Tapos, pagsamahin sila, yan ang sagot dito. A union of B. Number 2, A intersects C. O ano lang bang nang intersect sa C? Ito ang A, ito ang C. So, ito lang. Oh, ang dalawa na to. Yan yung nag-intersect sa A and C. A, ba ito yung A natin, then C. So, dalawa lang ang sagot dyan. So, number 2. 3. B, union of C. Where is B? Ito lahat. Then, ang lahat dito. Pagsama-samahin. No double entry. Ha? Of course, separated with a comma. Laging may comma. Then, A intersect B. Alam nyo na yan. Ha? Tinuruan ko na. Then, 5. Ganun pa rin. Pero may intersection lang ng C. Okay? So, letter A dito, wag nyo na itong gawin kasi nasa pandemic tayo. Make a survey to 20 of your classmates. Hindi na ito gagawin. Dahil delikado, baka tayo ay maging positive. Wag naman sana. Okay? So, see you next video, grade 7, parents and students. Happy learning!